and those are criminal offenses. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Very valid. Honorable Senators, we need to start this session. We need to start the session. And just following on what the Honorable Senator for Homa Bay has said, we are here to hear nothing but the truth. And the only way we can be able to get the truth is when statements are made under oath. And therefore, Clerk, I'm told that the chairperson of IPOA is not in, but the deputy is present. Is that the position? Clerk, honorable senators, this question is to the clerk. Allow him to respond for purposes of the record. I'm informed that the chairman IPOA did write a letter indicating that he will not be in a position to be with us today, but he has sent his deputy in instead. Before we start, kindly, clerk, administer the oath to the team, and thereafter I will call upon Senator Eddy, the mover of this business, to take to the floor. No.
From them or myself? You start from me or them?
The speaker will advise.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clerk, kindly proceed to administer the oath. We will start, of course, with the CS, who is the head of the team.
CS. Will you take an oath for affirmation? An oath. An oath. So you read this text and put your name, your right hand will hold the Bible, and you put your hand on the constitution over here.
Which one?
This
Okay.
Yes.
I, Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate, this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Yes, followed by the IG.
Hello, Mr. IG. Will you take an oath or affirmation? An oath you take with the Holy Book on your hand. An affirmation, you just raise your hand. Which religion do you ascribe to? I'm a Christian. You're a Christian, so you hold the Bible on the right hand and your left hand in the Constitution. Just place on it, then you insert your name here and read the text of the oath.
I, Douglas Kanja, the Inspector General, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate Committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you. That's all.
I, Poa.
Will you take an oath or affirmation? The oath you take with the Holy Book. Are you a Christian, Muslim? Christian. Right. So you hold the Bible on your right hand, and your left hand will be on the Constitution. You will read and insert your name here and read the full text.
Except this, huh?
Yeah, the council don't read.
I, Anne Wanjiku Mwangi, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matter before the Senate shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
The National Police Service Commission.
Good morning. Will you take an oath or affirmation? The oath you take with the Holy Book? Yes. Will you take the oath? Okay, so you place your left hand. Here. Are you which religion do you ascribe to? Christian. So raise the Bible on your right hand. Then you read the Constitution. Then you read this text and insert your name here.
I, Edwin Kiprono Cheluket, Vice Chairperson, National Police Service Commission, do solemnly swear that the evidence I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you. That's all.
The DCI. No, Honorable CS, the DCI was not among the parties that we had invited to appear. In the event that is going to give any information to the Senate, we will allow him to take the oath. Proceed, DCI.
Yeah, good morning. So will you take an oath or affirmation? An oath. An oath. So you hold the Holy Book on the hand. Yeah, the Quran. Okay. Yeah. So you will insert your name here and read the full text. Raise your and your left hand on the Constitution.
Okay. I, Mohammed Amin, the Director of Criminal Investigations, do solemnly swear that the evidence I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you. That's all.
Now, honorable senators, having administered oath to the parties that we've invited, I will now call upon the Senator for Migori County, Senator